My name is Miss Debner, and today we're going to be learning how to count money using different various coins. Like we'll be using a penny, a nickel, and a dime. And before we actually start counting the money, I want to make sure that we all know how to count by fives and tens. And then we're going to be making, I will give you like a money amount, and then we're going to use different coins to make that amount, different combinations of the coins. And then I will show you how to do that, and then we will do that kind of together as a class, and then at the end you'll get to practice on your own. So when I hold up the coins, I would like somebody to tell me how much they're worth. Does anyone know how much this is worth?
Penny.
Very good.
1 cent. Sorry.
Yes, 1 cent. Okay, how about this?
5 cents.
Very good. And this one?
10.
Awesome. Okay, so now that we know what coins are worth what, we're going to review how to count by fives. Do you know how to count by fives? Can we start out? Okay, how would we start out?
5, 10, and is it 15?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
20, 25, 30,
Yep.
40, no, 35.
Yep.
Okay, 40, 45, 50.
Good. We'll
Okay.
stop there. Very good. And now let's try by tens. We'd start with 10.
10, 20,
Mm-hmm.
30, 40, 50.
Yep. Very good. Awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate how we would make 15 cents. So I'm just going to start out with a dime. So how much is that worth again?
10 cents.
Very good. Okay, so we have 10 here, and then to make 15 I need to add more, so I'm going to use a nickel. So I have 10, 15 cents. I'm going to go ahead and show you another way to do it, and we can do it with 2 nickels, which equals 10 cents, and then 5 pennies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we were to count it all out, we would have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Another way that we could count it out would be to use 1 dime, which is the 10 cents. So we'd have 10, and then we could use 5 pennies, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you can see that there's several different ways that we can make coin combinations to get to our total amount of money that we want to make. So now I'm going to go ahead and let's try to make, let's say, 20 cents. So we could use 2 dimes because they're each worth 10 cents, and we just count 10, 20. And another way we could do it would be to use a combination of nickels and dimes. So we could use 1 dime, which would be 10, and then 15, 20. So we would have 2 nickels and a dime. So that's a couple of ways to make 20 cents. So now let's try practicing a combination together. I'm going to give you your own set of money, and then you guys can try it out. Okay, so the first combination that I want you to try and make is 25 cents. And let's start out using a dime. Okay, let's see what you've done. Okay, so you have 2 dimes and then 5 pennies. Very good. So can we count that out together? We have 10, 20,
21,
22,
22,
23, 24, 25. Awesome. So that's one way that we could do it. Could we try another way using maybe a combination of, maybe we'll add in some nickels in there this time. Okay, so let's count it out starting with the dime.
10, 15, 20, 25.
Good job. Okay, do you think there's any other ways that we could make 25 cents? Using the combination of coins?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead and any combination that you want to, just show me how you want to do it. Okay, let's count out what you have there together. Okay, so we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Good, that is another way that we can make the combination. Now I'm going to say, let's start with 2 dimes. So what could we add to that?
To make 25.
To make 25.
A nickel, which is 5 cents.
Okay, and what other way could we do it?
5 pennies.
Awesome, good job. Okay, so let's try another amount. Why don't we go to something a little bit more challenging, and we'll try 36 cents. And you can start out with in whatever way that you want to. Okay, you have it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's count it out together.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36.
Good job. Okay, so what if we wanted to use 2 dimes instead? How would we change that? Okay, let's count that combination out. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36. Good job. There's, as you can see, I think there's several different ways that we can make the amount of 36 cents. Why don't you try another way? Maybe try using all nickels. Well, almost all nickels. The majority of nickels. Okay, so now let's count that one out.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36.
Good job. Okay. So now that we've discussed several different ways that you can use the coins to make different amounts of money, I'm going to give you an index card that has different money amounts that I would like you to make. And then when you're finished, just raise your hand and I will come around and check. You can use any combination that you want to given the coins that you have.
Are we just doing them, not writing them down? We just do them?
Right, and then, yep, and then show me and then I'll come and check it. You have all of them finished?
I think so.
All of them at once? Okay. Let's check them. Okay, show me which one goes for what.
This one is the 12 cents.
Okay.
And then this one's 22.
Okay.
And then this one is 30.
Okay. Let's look at this one again. Can you count it out for me?
10, 20, 25, 30, 35.
Okay. So what do we need to do to change that one?
Just get rid of that.
Good job. Okay.
And then this one's 47.